With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that mass of a hypothetical planet is 1 by 100 of that of Earth, okay? And its radius is 1 by 4 of that of Earth, okay? So the radius is basically 1 by 4 of that of Earth, and basically mass is of this hypothetical planet is basically this. So the person weighs 600 Newton on Earth, okay? What would be the weight on this planet? So basically we need to find the weight of person on this planet. So firstly we'll find out force on weight of person on Earth is basically equal to 600 Newton. Got it? So what we're gonna do, we are gonna use the formula of G. So weight of person can be took out by G M into weight of person by R square. Okay, this capital M, I am writing the things that I have used. M is basically mass of planet, mass of Earth, let's suppose over here Earth. Okay, small m is mass of person. Okay, R is radius of Earth. Got it? And G is gravitational constant. Okay, gravitational constant. Got it? So basically these are the things that we have taken in account. Okay, so I am writing it over here and separating it now. So now what we can do, so basically in the question it's given that this is basically equal to G capital M by small m by R square is basically equal to 600 Newton. Okay, so 600 will take it and move on now. Now we'll see about that hypothetical planet. Okay, now the hypothetical planet. Hypothetical planet. Okay, now we are gonna see about that. So about the hypothetical planet, the force on the hypothetical planet, weight of person in that hypothetical planet is basically equal to what? Will be equal to G M by 100. Why I'm taking M by 100? M by 100. Okay, why I'm taking M by 100 is that because over here it's given that the mass of hypothetical planet is 1 by 100 of Earth. Okay, that's why I'm taking M by 100, because it is M by 100 times of Earth into M by R square. So R is basically what? Basically it the R of the planet is 1 by 4 of that of Earth. So we are going to take R by 4. Okay, and squared. Okay, so that's all. So what we are going to do, firstly we'll take out this 100 outside. Okay, so it comes 1 by 100. Okay, G capital M small m divided by R square by 16. Okay, so this is what we get. So 16 is down, means denominator of the denominator, so it will come to the numerator. Okay, so what we're going to get from here, we're going to get basically 1 by 16 by 100 will be equal to into G capital M small m by R square. Okay, now we are going to put the value from this equation number 1 of this G capital M small m by R square. It was 600, so we are going to put it. So what we'll get basically 16 by 100 into 600. Okay, from where we got? From 1. Okay, so now we are going to cancel this. This basically not like this, but we'll cancel this now. This will be cancelled 6 times, and 16 times 6 is basically, so it's 96 Newton. Got it? It's basically 96 Newton. So we'll see our options, which of the option is correct. So our answer will be option number C, 96 Newtons. Got it? This was a very easy question, and 96 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.